Alright you guys, today we're going to be making some chocolate brownies, gluten-free and dairy-free with all organic products. Alright guys, let's go ahead and add our dry ingredients, and we're going to go with a half cup of cacao, unsweetened, and then we're going to add 1 cup of evaporated cane sugar, and 1 cup of tapioca flour. And by the way, you guys, this is a smaller batch that I'm making, so what I'm saying is what's going to be in the description box, but I'm actually just whipping up a smaller batch right here. And we're going to add 1 cup of flaxseed grounded. If you have flaxseed, you can ground it yourself, grind it up yourself. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder, non-aluminum, and 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and stir up these dry ingredients and get them mixed in together. Just get this all mixed in without making a big mess here. And then we'll start our wet ingredients. Alright guys, so we're going to begin to add the wets to the dries. And I'm going to have 4 egg whites. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and add this half cup of safflower oil. That's about a half cup. And we're just going to continue to mix. Alright guys, so we just continue to keep stirring. And I think we've got it to about where we want it to be. Alright guys, so I'm going to do half of the, with the cups in it, the cupcake cups, and I went ahead and greased with the safflower oil. So let's go ahead and start filling these up. Alright, and you should have your oven preset to 325, and we're going to let these cook for 20 to 25 minutes, and just keep an eye on them. Alright you guys, as you can see, I got them out of the oven, put onto a plate, and they came out pretty good, these chocolate brownies. With the flax, as you can see, it comes out like a cakey brownie. It's really good actually. Alright you guys, subscribe, share my videos, like my videos. Until next time.